How to create a dictionary of two Pandas DataFrame columns. What is the most efficient way to organize the following Pandas DataFrame? Data equals into a dictionary like alphabet, 1 column A, 2 column B, 3 column C, 4 column D, 5 column E.
Speed comparison, using Wouter's method.
I found a faster way to solve the problem that list on realistically large datasets using df.set_index key.to_dict value. Proof on 50,000 rows. Output.
This will give you
in Python 3.6 the fastest way is still the Wouter over Mer 1. Kiko's proposal is slower than the other two options. Results.
TLDR. In long. Explaining solution, dict, sorted, df.values.tolist. Given. Out. Try. Out. Then optionally. Or. Out. Lastly, cast the list of two elements into a dict. Out. Related. Answering at Spradbio comment. If there are multiple values for a specific key and you would like to keep all of them, it's not the most efficient but the most intuitive way is. Out.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.